back to my channel, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Celie here again. This is not the first time I'm working with Celie here. They sent me a very bomb wig last time, and today I'm here to try out another wig from them. So once I open the box, this is what I see: a drawstring bag saying Celie Beauty Start from Celie here. And on the inside we got a pamphlet, some hair care stuff like that. That's what's on the inside. We got a wig cap, very essential item. We got a nice pair of lashes. Yes, so that's all that came in that drawstring bag. Then we have the actual wig. So that is it for what's in the box. That's everything. So today we're working with a bob. I know how much you guys love bobs. I've been getting so much requests for like bob wigs and stuff. So like I'm happy, I guess, because we're in the hotter seasonal, like it's coming up to summer. Bobs are always trending, and just overall people love bobs. So this is a 14-inch bob. The style is STW. That's the code, and it's, as I said, a bob wig. And it's straight. It's also 13 by 6, so that's a good parting space. I want to install this as is. Oh my gosh, the last video I did with a blonde wig, and then I went ahead and colored it. Somebody commented, I was like, so you can't make the ear them stay blonde, Jesus. But you guys know I have to experiment. Oh my gosh, but I feel like I'm probably keep that 1 year blonde. I don't know yet. This is some nice hair to color. And you see, from the year started, like I've been focusing on so much blonde hair and like colored hair overall, that I've been actually enjoying not having it colored from the roots. One time gone, you could catch me, I do color straight from the roots, but from the other day, I don't mind. Like I really love the look when it's colored like from the roots. So like this now to me is like, oh, alright, I kind of reverting, but nothing wrong. The wig feels really good, really silky and nice. As I say, it's a straight, so we're gonna do bone straight vibes today with this. I'm not sure, I might cut it down a little bit more, I'm not sure. So yeah, this is how it is. Nice 613 here. And to be honest, I get a lot of hair, blonde hair sometimes. Some of them look more yellow undertone than some, and honestly the yellowness on this is not as prominent. So it's all up to you if you get this and you want to even go ahead and tone it, because I feel like the tone looks pretty good. The wig construction, it has 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps, and a good parting space. It is a center part wig, so it has a bit longer parting space in the center as opposed to the side portion. You can still part it on the side. It is a good parting space on the side, but I feel like I'm gonna go with the center part today. So let's go. I went ahead, I did a little plucking. I felt like I wanted to do a little bit more plucking on it, so that's what I went in and did. And I actually, know that I've been looking at it and stuff, I definitely feel like I'm gonna cut off like an inch or an inch and a half off of the ends, because this is more of a long bob, and I've been doing a lot of long bobs from, well, not a lot of bobs, but like the most recent bobs I've done are pretty long bobs. So I'm gonna be doing this one a little shorter. I'm going to just cut off a little bit off of it, and we're gonna slay. But I'm gonna straighten it first, and then we can go in that. But I'm going to, you guys know the drill, I'm going to make my center part and make it really flat up on the top. And yeah, so I'm just going to play music over this portion. It's pretty self-explanatory. I kind of sped up this portion because you guys know how it goes already. I'm just flat ironing the hair. This hair, by the way, is so silky, came off so nice. The flat iron glided right through it, and that was just amazing. I really loved it. And then I proceeded to cutting off actually around 2 inches off it, because as I said, I was really feeling a vibe of doing more of a short bob this time as opposed to a long one. I've done like probably my most recent bob looks were like 14 inches, 12 to 14 inches, and I really wanted to just go a little bit shorter this time, just really sleek and really flowy, and that's exactly what this wig is giving me. I love it. From the other day though, I've kind of broken into the whole vibe of wearing like the blonde straight from the roots, so it kind of feels brand new doing it dark, but I really like it. I mean, usually when you get wigs from companies, usually when they do the little ombre thing with the hair, it would have like this definite demarcation in between the blonde and the dark portion, but it blended perfectly, so I think they did a really good job with that. When I was like laying it, when I applied it to my head, I pretty much kind of, you know, highlighted the parting a little bit more. It was really easy to work with and stuff, and I'll be sure to put all the specifications on this wig in the description box as well. I did a little bit of baby hair, and as you guys can see, you could completely rock this without any form of baby hair at all. Eventually over time I might go ahead and color this. I'm not sure. I'll try a color that I've never done before. I'm still thinking what though, so I think I need you guys help with that. So go ahead and comment some colors down below that you'd like to see, a color that you'd like to see me transform this bob into, or let me know if I should let it stay. I'm all done with this wig and I absolutely love it. It's been a while since I've worn a wig like this. The last time I wore a wig like this was New Year's Eve, but it was a little longer and I kind of did bump the ends. So that's the last time I rocked a wig like this. I really love the look. It's really sleek and it's really flowy. Look at that. It's really, really nice. I love that it's like butter. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Very simple makeup. I decided to do a pop of color with this lippy today. It's been a while since I've dibbled and dabbled into anything but red when it comes down to color, so you know, this is pretty nice. It's a pretty nice color. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, go and big up on yourself, and I'm your girl Petite. Bye.